In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change your name on Facebook. Changing your name on Facebook is a quick and simple process that can be done in just a few easy steps. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Once you are on this page, you'll see the Account Center at the very top. Just tap on it. Then tap Profiles. Tap and select the Facebook profile that you want to change the name of. Tap Name. Now you have the ability to change your Facebook name. So go ahead and do it. Then tap on the Review Change button. All you have to do next is tap on the Save Changes button to complete the process. Remember that once you confirm the name change, you won't be able to change it again for the next 60 days. So make sure you pick a name that you are happy with for at least the next 2 months. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.